This week we're gonna keep it simple, cool, calm, and collected with another homestyle recipe from Mama Duke's herself. Your homestyle chili, we used to use it all the time. It always hit the spot, never disappointed. So we're gonna jump right into that today. Homestyle chili, the Texas way. First things first, we got our ground turkey. Added a little bit of Italian sauce. Browned both of these real good. And once we have our meat browning, we're gonna cut up our vegetables to put in there, baby. It's turning a little brown now. Veggies. Now this is the first one I use right here. It gives a beautiful color. Red beans, black beans, onion, and bell pepper all inside. All right, fam, don't make the same mistake I did. A sloppy Joe. I needed more liquidy, more chili-like. So I'm gonna run to the store here. I shall be right back. Now, I'm not bougie enough to make my cornbread from scratch, so this is the Jiffy brand. Bye, y'all! And right now, honey jalapeno cornbread. Tell me you guys ever had it? Yes! Get some honey on there. Honey jalapeno cornbread, baby. I'm gonna put you back in the oven. Oh, let's go! Let me know in the comments down below how you guys make your chili. Also, let me know if you guys ever had to run to the store while you were cooking. Once again, this is your boy Onmywaymj. Till next time, y'all take it easy, be safe, and get to cooking.